Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate you how to reset a inspection light on Skoda Citigo. This one is 2016, but all the Citigo, the procedure is the same, right? To check, turn the ignition off, turn the ignition on. The INSP inspection light will appear. It's mean it's needed resetting. It's need a service. So we've done the service and we're going to reset this inspection light. Right, to start with, turn the ignition off, and then we have to press and hold this set button on the right side of the dashboard, this one, right? Press and hold, turn ignition on, and sorry, we have to do again. Press and hold, turn ignition on, the inspection light will appear, release the button, and within 20 seconds, it says within 20 seconds press once and release, turn the ignition off. That should reset. Let's check again. Turn the ignition on. That light is off now. No more message for inspection due. That's all done. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, if the video is helpful, just give a thumb up or like the video. Thank you very much. Bye for now. See you in next video.